Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today we're on the road and of course we're taking you guys along with us. Of course today is the weekend and you know I'm gonna get some stuff.
What kind of stuff?
Guys, I'm taking you guys to the famous place in Toronto that is known for getting like real deals, you know what I mean? So if you're in Toronto, definitely drop by Office Road. This is gonna be my first time going there. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna get me some really nice summer tops. Hopefully they have something that looks nice. I hear that it replicates downtown Kingston. If you're from Jamaica, it replicates that type of setting.
So Kias, we are going to Rashida?
I don't think it's Kias. I think it's set up like by stores, but they have like really nice deals. And guys, with foreign so expensive.
We will not be walking up and down.
So guys, give us a foreign so expensive. We need for can see some deals, don't it? We can't just buy everything top tier. So I'm gonna go. I'm really excited.
What kind of clothes they mostly sell though? Like them sell name brand stuff too as well?
I think I heard that they have name brands, them have deals, like them get things from closeouts and also
like when a store closed down.
No, like closeout is like say for example Nautica have some extra stuff that not really sell during the season, them give them and them sell back.
Okay. So on a used stuff?
No, used stuff. You crazy? Yeah.
Alright, so
and
you know the thing that go already, guys. Once you watch a video, press up the like button.
And guys, you know, so them are gonna have made in China too. Me not really have a
problem. Nothing wrong with that.
No, me not have a problem with made in China. Once it look good,
cheap and clean.
Yeah, and it make me look good.
Cheap and
me good
clean.
with it. So the price right and the style up there, rushy with it. If you agree, me tell you to comment below. If you're like that, me love a deal. Me love a steal. I love things that look good, so I'm excited to go down there and just see what's happening.
Alright, also tomorrow you touch upon that too.
What?
Your hairstyle, what going for the year?
Oh guys, I've gone bald headed. Yeah guys, summer pan them. One up.
Yeah, man.
We have to spring it up fresh. Yeah, so cut down low for the summer. I give them the clean beat, right? So girl, I work on everything. Skin care, ear care, body care, inside care, every care me I work on. Dentist, everything me I work on. Teeth, eye, ear, skin, nails, everything. Literally. Come even take a break from the nail doing because you know I just do everything. Me try go natural. Try to do as natural as possible.
Make you see how long you can do it for because you love this wig business, you know.
Me love wig. So and I have a lot of them.
And that's the reason why your hair fall off in the first place. And
yeah, but what happened?
And you cut your hair with bad scissors.
Yeah, that too. Yeah. But one of the reasons the wig your ear can't get for breathe under it too. But it helped me during winter because I don't like wear the tam. I don't like wear the tam.
That's the beanie. No, not
what
beanie.
Them say name? The toque. Whatever the name is. The hat, I don't like snow hats really. So that's why I up to wear the wig. So now it's summer and I'm out, everything out. I just need to come down.
Guys, the place bright and nice.
Guys, me hear now comment below, you know. Me don't know for the camera, but me lose a lot of lose weight. My face me lose weight. I lost 4 pounds, believe it or not. It's just that my face fat and I put the camera up in my face. I have a round spoon face, so that's why. Right?
So anyway, guys, big up on yourself all the time. Thank you for always watching and tuning in. Thank you for pressing up the like button as usual. You don't know, your guy Wally was not here. Go away for a few days. Touch back in the place. So happy to be in Canada. I'm here. Some people are talking about me not love Canada and all of this and Russia love Canada more. That's not true. It's just that, you know, me love mix up the thing. Diversity is always good. Variety is always good. And that I'm that type of person. I love excitement and so on. I'm not going to come here and act and behave like me and go to show and me like this calm, peaceful place all the time. I'm not that person. Sometimes I love your nice and so on. I'm that person. I love socialize. Anyway you see me with a group of people. who know me from high school and my previous work, me always in a crowd. I'm a social butterfly. We're best to enjoy that other than in Jamaica. Right? So I like go there if me can and you know enjoy myself and touch back in. Really that trip wasn't about enjoyment at all. You don't know me until they drop out and so on, and I forgot to show my face and represent well for the family, you know, especially for my father. You don't know me, I have to show up and make him know, so your big son there from Canada, I represent, you know what I mean, from our side, same way. And yeah, your boy, they do scripture reading too. Yeah, me never did put that even at the video.
Yeah, put it in
we do the first scripture reading, and you know it's been years, guys. So bad, we need to start attending church.
Guys, as I tell you, like me, I do a whole 360 with my life.
But we can't say that I will not do it because we're supposed to attend church.
No, but me can't just run go church like that. Okay. Because me do my little service them on the internet. Me not go just run go church like that because you know me like do my research. Which church me want go. You know me don't want to break no rules. And so, but like spiritually, physically, like everything, me literally I try to do a cleanse. If you know what I mean.
And guys, I just said a cleanse too. I just go do some blood work just to check up myself to see what I go on. You know what I mean? For just check out and see if me have sugar, if me have what do I saying check for? Blood works.
Everything
just for see if me okay, if everything good.
Come check mine the other day and my vitamin D level low, so now
you check on my vitamin D low too.
You have to recheck again, then we tell you no.
So guys, we just want to make sure that everything bossy, alright? Because when you work too hard and you're up and down, you might can't find the time to monitor yourself, you know what's happening. Remember, we're not 15 and we're not 20 no more. Yeah. So we have to keep abreast with what's going on with our health. So you don't know, do a quick checkup, make sure that everything alright. Alright? Yeah,
you have to check everything.
Maybe I make a point. So yeah, so guys, I'm going to show you while you do first scripture reading. It's been years since we read a Bible, which is so bad. Maybe I try to make the point there, so bad. But yeah, watch what I go on.
Amen. Praise God. Bless the Lord. At this time, our first lesson will be coming to us from John 3, 16 to 21. This will be done by Amal Waldron and nephew. Please come at this time. Amal Waldron.
Pleasant good afternoon to everyone. I know we are gathered here today within a sad time, but we have to go on. For those who don't know me, I'm Jermaine. My right name is Jermaine Waldron. I'm Desmond Waldron's son. He's, of course, the brother of Auntie Nama. So I'll be doing the first scripture. That's the first scripture reading, that is. And it's taken from John 3, verse 16 to 21. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. For God sent not his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved. He that believeth on him is not condemned, but he that believeth is not condemned already, because he hath not believed in the name of the only begotten Son of God. And this is the condemnation, that the light is come into the world, and the men love it darkness rather than light, because their own deeds were evil. For everyone that doeth evil hateth the light, neither they are wrought in God. Thank you so much for your time. Amen.
Bless the Lord.
Yeah, guys, so hope you enjoyed that a while ago. You know, me there do a little thing. You guy in a full suit of black. But today, as I said, we spend 7 minutes at chat. You know, we love the chatting. We're going to, what's it called? Affos Road?
Affos Road.
Affos Road, and we're going to take you guys along. Alright, guys, so on our way to where?
Affos Road.
Affos Road. Yeah,
And now
drive
we're
through one of
leaving
our
from
nicer
Vaughn.
communities, them guys. On our way, taking a stroll. Can't believe it's already spring though.
I'm so happy.
Feels like summer.
Yeah, it kind of warm today, but nice.
Yeah, boy, Canada weather was extreme. It was so cold 2 weeks ago.
Up to a week ago too.
Up to a week ago. And it just changed just like that.
You know something like, I always like around here, so like love it.
You'd here's that one now. Concord?
Maple.
Maple. Very, very nice. Maple
So guys, this is the Maple community in Vaughn. Really nice. So we're on our way to Office Road, but I'm just saying, I have to give you a little tour and see what I go on. So boy, them house are nice though. I see why the house them out here, like them have to be like a 1 million.
Then too dear, man.
They're dear still.
Too expensive. Them house are no 1 million here point pan.
Them are like 2
houses that
million.
you're looking at 2.5 you're looking at. These are
Possibly
very
3 too, because it's in a like a
Maple.
Yeah.
High sought after area.
really nice, guys. Nice. And you know, say a whole heap of Asian live around here, them area.
Yeah.
Them live at the nice
but
place.
Maple look
too.
like it's somewhat mixed though.
Yeah man, it mixed definitely.
Yeah. Asians them a dominate though, you know.
In terms of like with the properties.
Properties and
Yeah.
they drive the most expensive vehicle
True.
and so on. While you look on the left and the right, it's a nice houses. Left
Yeah.
and right.
Nice,
It's
man.
ridiculous.
Nice. Boy, Canada really are going good with in terms of design. I don't know about the other provinces, but what I can tell you, Ontario bad pan design. I don't know who designed the house. This them
Must Russian.
bad.
Must Russian.
Them bad like yours with the brick look and thing. Even
We're on the
road.
borderline now, Richmond Hill and Vaughn, or so? Close
Yeah,
to the border.
almost. Like one road.
Yeah, like one more road and you reach Richmond Hill.
Right. So guys, this is the famous Vaughn. I think this area, yeah, this is Maple too. This is Maple. I love this area.
Yeah.
Love
Nice
love
and smooth and
love.
clean. Look expensive.
Yeah, really nice. And calm, you know.
You can go jogging.
Everything.
You not worry about
Picnicking, nothing, yeah.
Nothing at all. And sometimes Canada is a dreamland. It's a
Nice. I
dreamland,
don't know
yeah.
who deal with the development, but them get A plus.
A plus.
Who
yeah.
deal with the design and the road
Everything.
coordination.
Maintenance too. Maintenance
Yeah.
high.
I
Maintenance
tell
high.
you, that's why people pay so much of property tax. A man at work tell me that him pay $12,000 per year for property tax to live in Vaughn.
Expensive. Man, you
Yeah.
scare the people. Guys, don't listen to Rashi, you know, she just a scare. Expensive property that him have.
Yeah, I'm living in a Woodbridge, in a big
Woodbridge.
house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that expensive, Rashida.
But me just say, that expensive. I know somebody who live in a Brampton and them pay 9,000. So them say.
9,000.
So like,
That's crazy.
yeah, because a Brampton to a
I like
Wood.
them townhouse here, them nice.
Yeah,
The
them
front
nice,
page
them
a while
neat
ago,
too.
yeah, her front was really nice.
Guys, we can't catch everything. We have to just show no, you know, as much as when we're on the road or we have time, you know what I mean?
On our way to Office Road, let's go. Alright guys, so we just arrived on Rashi's location. We've been hearing about Office Road. That's what O-F-O-R-F-U-S, Office Road. Right, it's actually a road, guys. Close to Yorkdale Mall.
Yeah.
And-
In North York.
Yeah, it don't look as nice as what they expect though. We expect it to be some grand scene.
No, because you asked me if it look like downtown. If you're in a ruggy. So it could
Yeah, but I mean more aesthetically pleasing. It just look like a plaza.
and you get things cheap and you expect it to look so.
Alright, come on. Come on. You know me sure she said German.
No.
Let me hear. She's
Persian.
She's Persian and she's talking in her language and she's so I thought she said Jermaine. So anyhow guys, so we are at Office Road and we're gonna look to see what they have, right?
Yeah, so them have bed and bath, Beddington.
So where wanna start?
I'm going to a close place first.
First?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go. I should have hope we're not disappointed, you know.
I hope not.
I hope
Oh,
we're
they
not.
have Party City too.
Hope this is not Bendong Market.
They say Marks don't have good sale. It's the same price.
Okay.
But factory direct, I think they are the ones that have like appliances cheap.
Okay.
You know, like microwave, blenders,
Yeah.
that.
Why I don't know? Why I not trust this place about? Then just expensive overall. Let me see if we can actually get some good deals.
Yeah.
So we're going in.
Tell
Where
truth
we going first?
I would go in the factory direct and look, but I really want to go in at the clothes store.
Where's the clothes store?
I'm gonna try and find it.
Oh, I think you know where you're going.
No,
Alright, guys,
know.
catch us in the clothes store. So, let's see here. H&S.
H&S. Fashion outlet.
Might just give me a little downtown
Downtown
vibe still,
yeah.
but let's see. First thing you see is a big $2.99 sale. Look at her face. Look at her face. She likes the cheap stuff, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
And if it's still good. No entry around there somewhere for entry.
Guys, look at this. Four pieces. Suitcase for $165. Not bad. Especially if you have big family, right? You can buy a lot of these.
Yeah, carry on. That one here look good. That's like
Not bad. Not bad at all. I like this set. Why we never buy something like this?
Watch my background here.
Cool handbag.
Handbag.
Sounds good. I like that one here too. How much is that?
Like all the man cushion me.
All the man sitting?
Yeah, I like this. Like me, I wear this go church. Look nice. So if you don't want to get in a church bag, some nice bags down here. You might love up the belly band when you have the belly. Sure.
Luckily, your belly flat, not true?
In a flat again. Sure. $9.
How about that gurgle?
Gurgle. Like you don't want your thing show, not lying and so. And flatten your belly. Full body one. $12 compression. Nice.
Yeah, them have a lot of stuff though.
And they may sell on Amazon for enough money. This is nice. It has the part for your bottom shape. Shapewear is nice to wear under your dresses so it not show no crease and it make a silhouette. Guys, the bras are for $6. You can't believe I have to grab two. This is literally downtown price.
Downtown.
Literally. This one is nice. Ladies, comment below and let me know if you like this bra. I like this one. It have a little bone and it have a little lace.
Your size that?
Yeah, make your breast look pretty with the lace on the top. I like that color.
Guys, Rashi boss way.
Guys, I find my store, I find my groove. Mommy, you can stop sending up bra for me from Jamaica. For all who don't know, because my mother know what type of bras here I love, I don't buy none since I'm in Canada. My mother send them up.
You never buy a bra since you're in Canada for
Only
real?
one.
One birth year?
Yeah.
That's a shame. In 3 years?
Yeah.
You're nearly here 3 years now, you know?
My mother send up panty for me and bra every time.
Come a foreign. Can you
So,
imagine
come a
that?
foreign.
Worthless.
So guys, look at this, really nice. You know how much it is? $5.99. Look here. My boss said, Mommy, I can't stop sending them.
Guys, you know we don't really know not about them things. I will just take them off.
Ooh, and look how this pretty guys. Look on the lace. Look on the lace.
Yeah, that look good. That look hot.
Oh God.
That look like some nice scene when you see white woman them take off them hot brassiere.
Well, a black woman right now. And guys, watch ya. Mother's Day no normal.
You can stay. That's a slim girl. That can fit you?
Ooh, of course.
Yeah man,
Girl,
pick out
I
three
go
nice
what?
ones.
Girl, I got twerk. Watch ya. Yeah. Watch ya. Massa.
That look big womanish though.
Wait, let me see. Let me open it out first.
Take your time. Okay, you look anxious.
Pin it on. Also the panty. Oh, it's a Pandy River. It's a Pandy River.
Oh, and then the top come
and
over
then
it.
top, but them staple it on. So you can't see the style so good.
Me not like
But
that.
it's full of ruffle.
Yeah, me not like that. That have too much ruffle and so like a slip. You can't find a slip. Look on them nice one here. I like these ones. These ones are really nice.
You take up one already. take up
Take up different color. They have different design in it, you know. Take up at least 3 of them.
A pure black, yes, so.
Mesh is the way to go.
Oh, God. This is cute.
That nice, you see that? That's the all-in-one.
I like this.
Don't bother one here.
Yeah, this nice too.
Yeah, that's really nice. How the sizing go?
I free size them.
Oh, so any woman can wear them.
Yeah, them stretch.
Good stuff.
This nice here, Jeremy. Oh my. Guys, how this looks.
Yeah, it look very
I
expensive
love
too. It
this.
look nice.
It
And
is
let me see the back. Let me
expensive.
see you turn around a while ago.
It come with like a tights.
It come with the tights at the back.
Yeah.
Let me see the front again.
Really cute.
Me like it.
Nice,
It's very fashionable. I like the button. Let me see the button again.
Zoom in to my thing.
Yeah.
Really nice, and the material stretchy too.
So you might grab it.
And I think so, guys, the size are too small.
That can't fit you?
No, size 12. My breast I go bust it out. It's cute though, man.
Really nice.
Really nice. And them all have little church dress, little girl.
Guys, me there look for some of the stuff them expensive,
Some
some
of them.
cheap.
Some cheap.
The
and
simple
some,
stuff them cheap.
Yeah.
But with the
But once
brand,
it look stylish, even if it not have no brand sometimes,
They're
it have a little
expensive.
price.
Cause let's try to a while ago for what? $40 something.
Bright and fancy. You know buy that, you know, so you
I
never-
don't have nothing on the name.
no name and the material not hot.
Guys, we're going to walk around the place kind of a little bit full to
Kind
claustrophobic
of
away.
like downtown style.
Yeah. They have some nice jeans though.
Yeah, also little
Bossy
picnic, watch out.
jeans.
Little picnic.
Yeah, whenever money we come do some real shopping, eh?
Yeah, we just come look so I know what to buy where.
Yeah.
Cause, you know?
I like them jacket here. Them nice, but them not carrying a price on it.
Them big
Like
stuff.
that, yeah, big.
They may have to at the fatter woman first.
Guys, it's a large place. The place kind of have, you know.
What if I something to see?
Yeah, it's a
Take
good
deal.
size. So yeah, this nice though. This not bad.
It's a nice jacket.
That's a female.
Yeah,
Huh?
size.
This look really good. I like it.
What the price?
Maybe in the back.
Size 10. Oh, it's not bad, $10.
For that?
Yeah.
That nice. A male or female?
I look like me, a little picnic.
That can't fit Jane though.
Jane, him shoulder broad. Like somebody. Oh, so them have bigger size here.
For $10 though? This nice for $10. Well, I tell you. And a champion to Pitney brand. Guys, if it's up to Rashi, we're gonna leave. Come on,
Love
let's
it.
go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, one store I'm coming in.
One store. Guys, you realize that it's like a strip of stores. So we have a lot to see. So we have
Guys, you know about Fordham in New York? It comes just like
oh, it's
Fordham.
just like Fordham. Guys who know Fordham,
Comment
what,
below.
Bronx?
Yeah.
Bronx, New York. Where you get all the cheap stuff them, right? The good looking stuff them. Anyhow,
Good things there.
we're gonna wrap up cash out. Got a few items here.
Guys,
A Rashi
I want the
basket.
texture for the underpants. Guys, look at this. This is like for my son though. Even though I want to show him business, but I show like the texture, like this is like
yeah,
cotton.
good material.
Cotton, and look at it. Like
much, $6?
underpants. Yeah, $6.99 for
the
four.
pack of 4.
A pack of 4.
So not bad. In Walmart, how much would that be though?
$20 for 3.
You sure though, Rashida?
I'm sure them only sell every brand of them sell at $20.
20.
For 3.
Expensive, so that's a big difference still.
And it's cheaper than Costco where we always buy. Yeah.
Them have all cologne too.
Oh, it's a cheap cologne them
Yeah, but
still.
still at makeup
Yeah.
you can buy a cheap and a good cologne them.
Yeah.
Guys, good cologne, the good stuff them. So anyway, we're gonna head out and check out the other places, am I right? So guys, we just leave. You have Miss Excitement here. But this is what we're entering now.
Mr. Cash and Carry. So
Alright,
guys,
we're
I
good.
don't really need anything in there, but I'm gonna show you for the vlog purpose, like things that you can get there. I heard that they have like household appliances or we call it household stuff like sheets and so on. So I could just see what they have. just afford
Boy, a real town setup.
Watch this. It's a nice shoes you wear in a house, $5.
Come on, we just a look. Them are what? Them are sanitizer?
Yeah, free.
I need 2 of them here.
But it's a free.
Yeah, put them in your bag from now. Put 4 in your bag.
It's free.
Free? It's a free.
No, I like that shoes here.
Because sometimes your hand might not absolutely clean and you want to eat something in your car.
Yeah, so it's a $5 for this.
For that?
It look nice. How much them cheap?
$19.
$19 them beat Walmart.
No, sir. This is a place you behave like you there in New York. Have you ever seen this before?
No.
Huh?
No, that shit are nice. Nice sheet. I like this too. With the sage green. Nice sheet this one. I like this. Comforter sets over there. See over here.
Blessings. Huh? Vlogging, it's a vlog. We're shopping, right?
Oh, okay, so you make sure.
Huh? We're showing all the good places on Arfus Road.
Oh, this is a nice sheet. Oh my god.
Yeah, that look nice. That look nice. How much is that?
$20.
Comforter 2 kilogram.
This looks beautiful.
$110.
You should have said it cheap. They don't say a cheap road this. No, sir. More to
This
buy that.
nice though.
Yeah, more to buy that. You can't go online and go buy
Quality
cheaper than that. Yeah, you can get something online cheaper.
No, I just checked the price. I just checked the price.
Yeah,
So
that's
what
it.
happens is that you have to pick and choose what you buy here. So like even the store that we went to just now, H&M, they have really nice pieces in there, but you have to have the time to sort them out and you have to know what you're about. You can easily go in there and buy
overspend.
foolishness
Or
and
overspend.
overspend, and the tax is quite high. Right?
You have to be careful.
You have to be careful.
You have to be careful.
Yeah.
Show them in your bag for me, them sanitizer. Guys, we got a lot of free sanitizers. I'm gonna put these in the car so when more have a bite, you can just sanitize the hands.
This nice here, a nice set here. This is the sharpener.
They're selling the holder as well. The holder is for $40. You know, see the holder them myself.
Them are too small. I really want a Caesar rack, but I don't like that color here.
Guys,
Yes,
this is
okay.
not bad.
And the shoes here, gentleman shoes. $30.
$39.97.
$39.97.
$40, not bad.
And this one not bad. Cheap and clean down here.
So you just come to Canada and you know, eh? Can come with a $500 and buy up some stuff.
True, man.
Not bad at all.
So guys, as you see, I really like pick out, you know? Cheap and clean business, and you just pick what you want and move along. So we pretty much move into another store. So you can get cheap appliances. I see them even have bullet, like the Ninja bullet, like for $75. But they've made note on it that it's a return goods, you know? So maybe that's for returns.
I like the shoes here though.
I like it too.
How much you said? Go on again? $5?
$5 feet. You know me love them price there.
All of the Bigfoot girl them.
That's one thing, my foot not big, it's all bigger than my foot.
Yeah, it look bigger than your foot. It's
Too
neat.
big.
Can you look a smaller size?
If them have more size, also one size. Size 9
So the other one was a 10.
or 9.5. This is so cute. I feel like Cinderella. Where's the next foot? See me now my $5 shoes. See here? Cheap and clean.
Alright, so we could come out now, no? Touch the next store then.
Alright.
Guys, but nah lie, before we leave, we have to show you the pot sets. Beautiful.
Them one and
Eh?
girl for have nice pots sitting out.
This is ridiculous.
Really nice and fancy.
Them pots are not for cooking.
Yeah,
These
man.
pots are for modeling.
Nice man.
That's crazy though. You got to cash out now?
The long
Guys, are the kids them season. Ice cream truck is out.
Summer sweet, summer in here.
So what do you think about the trip so far though?
Boy, I love it. Love it. So the one here,
Of course you would. Of course you would.
perfumes. So if you're all into designer perfume, they have it discounted here.
Okay, so you can maybe take a look.
Yeah, they might have swimsuit and something, I see.
Take a peek when I spend too long.
You can't done walk it up. I can't show you every single thing. They have a lot of deals. So just come down
So,
here.
just to give you a general idea, it's just like a road as we said before, and then you have a
Strips of outlet mall. Outlet stores.
Are they outlet stores?
I
Just
would
a
say
store.
Some stores where them get things from big brands and them sell it discounted. That's what it is. Plus them have China. But them have nice stuff for it. Them have whole heap. You have to have a
But you have to be
deal.
smart too, because what
Yeah.
happen? They mix the cheap stuff with the expensive,
stuff.
So you run going against the cheap stuff and then you find yourself start buying expensive stuff as
Because
well.
guys, you see what we like? It never come up for be cheap, really.
Yeah.
Because we never like the one them look flimsy. But the bra, like ladies, if you want like good bra, the store that I went into have some nice one. Them have nice nighties, cotton, nice panties, cotton, nice brassiere, like good fitting brassiere, you know what I mean? Nice.
Give me a
And
New
you can
York vibe.
Yeah. So I'm going to see what them have here.
So you carry a bag and a lean. So
I'll put it on my shoulder then. Oh, I just see them set perfume then, like it's cheap and clean perfume and a designer then. Oh, they have like press-on nails. They have ladies, like a little pencil where you use on your eye, your mouth liners, little cosmetics. You know what I mean? They have the Dove soap and the Axe. They have 3 for $10. So this is reasonable because I bought something like this for $5 in Shoppers. And
In
sale.
Shoppers.
So 3 for $10.
well, if you follow that ship here, actually you come spend, we ain't have to spend. Because the amount of reasonable stuff they here.
Yeah. They might have a lot of we call them not to make a Q-tech, but they are nail polish. They have sheets again. So guys, they have another area here. They have a store called Just Thrift, and this is for, you know, if you're looking into buying like second-hand apparel, that's there in that store. And from the outside, I'm seeing like
Them
they
look
have
good.
really good
Some good
designs
stuff.
and stuff. You know what I mean? So if you're into that type of stuff, that's definitely here too, right?
So why you not go buy some stuff?
No, me not grow so me care.
Come, but seriously though, maybe go to even take some look still for persons who interested in looking at these type of stuff, because based on what I'm seeing now, they look really nice.
Yeah, but you know,
Stop your foolishness.
so they have Coach. They say if you want to wear Coach and you don't want to pay the full price, definitely Thrift is the way to go.
Place nice though. Place nice, bad. But the rain not play, guys. We not stay too long in the chip store. The video go strike, right? Yeah, but it is nice. It never smell though.
I like Thrift store and smell bad.
Eh?
Yeah.
So the second one we're going to go look, no?
Remember when that donate something now I'm going there, me not like?
It never, yeah, it never have a good smell still. Boy, they make the outdoors look good though.
What?
See people them sit down and eat them hot dog and things.
Guys, we can't walk out everywhere. I think this is the last store we're going on, because if you look way down the road,
Yeah.
it extends over the other side of the road plus over this side. You understand?
You realize
It's
that
too
everybody on the patio now?
much. Yeah.
Kung Fu tea.
So guys, as you see in that store, t-shirt and shoe sale, That one, if you're into screen printing, maybe I should go in that store because I have something to print. And new home houseware, you know, me have to walk through the store. The one next day coming into house stuff. So if you're like me, guys, and you're all about house stuff, you know, I have to take a look in at that store. You know what I mean? But for now, may I try to be focused and just come for what I come about. So I come about.
Forget bashing.
Yeah, man, no come.
Guys, I'm gonna ramp with her in the car. Let me show you something. Boy, guys, everywhere we go, the music a beat with bad. But I'm gonna ramp with her. Let me tell you something, guys. You see, Rashi, type of person should become for a specific item, and then once she starts see all different type of stuff, she just let loose.
But how am I doing today?
Not bad, me give her a 6 out of 10, which is very good.
Come both of that,
guys, me give her a 6 out of 10, and that's very good based on Rashida's standard. So we're going in one more store. Hope you guys get the general idea, you know what I mean? What this trip is all about.
Come down here and get a cheap and clean and come get your designer wares. So guys, we're on the strip. Obviously, you're seeing that it's a beautiful day. I feel like
nice and sunny day.
I feel like my day at Jamaica, don't it? Here's again.
I want to get a drama. I've never been in Miami. And I feel Miami-ish.
And I tell you guys, a few Jamaicans down here. You can
but
just
the deals them look New York, but the place feel Miami.
Okay.
Everybody look fresh, the place look beautiful. If you should just look at it, it just gives a nice fresh feeling. You don't feel like Canada, I feel like Miami or somewhere in the Caribbean.
I stuck up feeling.
No.
You just relax.
It relax, really relax.
Guys, you see it is a whole road for this. Like you can't walk out the road. Like you have to just pick some stores. But the other thing to be mindful of, like not for the store them guys, when we go in there, like at first glance, it look thriftish. So you have to be careful. You have to like find out, like you have to scan the things them and know.
Like some of the stores, for the moment you step in, you don't have nothing to do with thrift or second-hand clothes, etc. Right? But it's very clear that brand new items you're purchasing. But there are other stores on the other hand now. It depends on the borderline. You're not sure. So if you're not into that, here can be a bit risky when you're purchasing items. So you have to have a more detailed approach when you're unpicking out your clothes. You know what I mean? You have to look on your tag.
Even the shoes, when I did like the shoes for $5, I never trust it. I'm going to put it down back.
Some of the stuff them look tricky, so you have to know. Especially if you go in, Rashida, you know. You know.
Yeah, I don't know.
You see me talk about? It give you one nice fashion. Like it ain't a fashion
guys
thing.
look on that designer depot. I'm going to go over there. And guys, them even have the outlet store for Roots. You know, that's a big brand here in Canada, so that's a thing too.
So we're going where next? Designer depot?
I want to go over designer depot.
Alright, so let's head to that. Let's go down there and then cross, alright?
Guys,
we'll go for it.
It will strip it, when I say it look like half of Jamaica Avenue. If you know Jamaica.
Don't say that. Jamaica Avenue is very long.
Alright, let me just say no.
You walk half of Jamaica Avenue.
Well, maybe me walk half.
So guys, we're heading over to Designer Depot, alright?
Yeah. And
catch
guys,
us over
if
there.
you're also having a wedding like you're a bride, you can also check out Toronto One Stop Dress Shop. I hear that they have rentals, like if you don't want to buy the dress, and also the dresses that they have is at cheap prices.
Come here, vlog and cross.
Yeah, so if you get married or you take part in a wedding, come check 88 Office Road, Unit 1.
Well, you're a salesperson.
Yeah.
We do marketing.
Yeah, and guys, them have plus size for the girls.
Today's a nice day to vlog.
I love it.
Nice and sunny. I eat a hot dog and drink a nice fruit juice. See a lot of hot dog stands. Person selling fruit juice. And then maybe eat a cream. Are we overeating that?
Yeah.
Remember the diet? You see your face.
No, I'm eating a moderation. You see that too?
No,
so
but that's what I'm saying.
Even from morning, I think I do good. Because I do the intermittent.
You know what I love about my wife, guys? Is like she love her own. What do you normally
believe
say?
my own.
Yeah.
My own foolishness.
And you love your own smell of your shit.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Can you say that? You love the smell of your aroma.
Alright guys, this is a new stuff, right? International, this is what? International, Designer Depot.
Designer Depot.
So this is for $10.
Cute though.
Yeah, this is a cute blouse. You can wear in summer to work.
What's your name? Blue Conchel? The music in the background, blue catchall. Hit them up style.
I see 3 of these tights for $20. So if you're going to the gym like myself, you need 2 of them here.
They look
I like
nice.
the one them with the bottom.
They look good.
One of them can wear purple.
So guys, you might not get in the volume next. We'll be showing. I don't even have to say nothing, right?
Yeah,
Just show.
just tight it.
That's a white woman dress. They're not going to can. They might go and do with them stuff. Nice. Can you imagine, guys? $20 for these dresses. That's ridiculous. You sure this is not a thrift store?
No. Keep them clothes all smell fresh.
Then, no man, this fishy man, I have to ask the lady at the front. $20 for these dresses?
But some things in here for 59.
On a thrift. So somebody that can come in for rush with a good $300-400 and get. That's a nice dress. That's a really nice dress.
You made it small.
It's a nice dress. Even this nice to behind it, you know.
But it's a slim body.
You know you have something like this though? This, exactly this. You used to wear it at ministry.
Wear it now.
You wear it now too?
Them blouse are nice, $16. This though guys, cute. This for $16. Really cute.
$15.99, yeah, 16.
$16.
No, them are gone.
I have some dresses. Nice, it's not nice though. You have to get something if you come down here. Look at this. This is so cute.
That is
So
nice.
cute.
For how much? Oh, it's on a $20 rack.
Yeah.
You see the front?
Cute. I like it. It's because I'm not looking for something like that. I'm going to be disciplined and come for what I come for.
These are nice though. Turtleneck. Like them turtleneck though. Come on, go on. Come on, go on.
Guys, I think I'm gonna buy this. This looks like a Jessie, like plaza pants. I can wear this with like a nice white top, like maybe a belly skin. This is so cute. I must get this. This is for only $10.
You need to do your research though, Rashida, before you run and buy. You can't know by smell. You have to do your research.
I'm gonna ask the lady at the front.
What you think she's going to tell you though?
I mean,
Sorry, you
I'm
can go
gonna
ahead.
say I'm into those stuff. Is it?
Huh?
I like this.
That's nicer though. Love
But
that
I like
color.
the blue one.
Yeah? This one look good. Guys, tell me what you think about that one. It looks really good.
I buy the one that I like.
Eh? No, buy the one you love. Let's tell you which one me like. Why you always do that?
More you feel good about when I have on.
You're crazy, man. Let's end the vlog. Come on. Come on. You can't show the world. Come on. Come on.
Guys too, you know with them pants here, but I'm firm.
Yeah.
The dance, ballerina.
But you know, say guys like seat dance sometimes.
Like it work.
So women like the extra firm thing, but sometimes man like seat and move around a bit.
So you like see it move around?
As long as it's not super soft, but
When more mind move around, come now you look for nobody one.
you can't do everywhere me there, Rashid. When you're there work, I sit down here now move and me I move and I see different things out there. Come on man, let's go. Let's go.
So guys, I'm taking the pants. It gave me a good fit. I'm gonna show you how it looked on girl. When I time, I really like trying that, so try it on over my tights.
Before we go no further, guys, I had to go and ask someone, because I know
Terrible.
say rush against the thrift business. No, I wouldn't say.
Me? You could have tell your family say you're coming
True.
in
I
the
really
combine.
need still, I really need still. But both of us. Anyhow, the point is that ask and they say it's not a thrift store.
Everything is brand new.
Everything is
but
brand
they said
new.
the store over that side is that.
And cheap, right
This
guys?
is for $10 guys. $10.
$10, eh?
So it marked down from $40 and it's now
But what
$10.
puzzles me, how them can afford to mark it down so much?
Because you know, sister not here say make them send it come here from the store. But me don't know what she talk about. The one them this up. Yeah. But if somebody will buy it in here will ask. So guys, we finished at the store. We went to Designer Depot. I know this is when I'm doing research already, guys. The place nice. I'm not telling a lie. Especially if you want something to wear to work, you must find something. Even the summer dresses, they are really nice. Nice cotton stuff. You know what I mean? Nice. Guys, I can't walk out the village.
Let me just say
This
something.
is a day with the girlfriends. So like my friend, no, like me can't stay long.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
I can't stay long because I'm here with him. You can't bring your husband, girls. You have to come by yourself. So you see, Judy, if you did that here, I'm a sister. When I reach Canada, we're gonna come go walk on Office Road, right?
You know, let me tell you something, guys.
I'm
a while
a mother
ago,
too. Me and her love shop. So if mommy did that here, we'll walk it out the whole day.
yeah, so I have to make some call, guys, and see if I wear stuff, you know what I mean? Just to confirm, kind of make the sense, yeah, say, boy, you're not going to the thrift and then you come here and buy thrift stuff,
I true still here for sure.
I make a call for somebody who, you know, to someone who know what I want, who they here. Yeah, basically born here, and they explain how it work. It's just items from other store. We kind of get old, they send to the Designer Depot, right? And that's how they can afford to give it to you.
Guys, close
That's
galore,
cheap.
you can't done. Johnny just make a 360 show.
Yeah.
You can't done too.
Well, this don't feel like Canada. But Canada nice, man.
Guys, and if you're in other parts of Canada, please come to Toronto and take a vacation. Get a cheap flight, come here if you're there, shop and you can come back.
$200.
No man, you can carry one good $1,000 and shop for the whole family. Shop for the whole family and go back home.
Yeah,
it's worth it.
Worth it,
literally, it's worth
so
it.
anyway, guys, we're now going to more place, go spend the money.
Too long.
And the road is long.
Too long, guys. We're down the road and look over there. So peer warehouse, you can't walk it out. I'm tired.
Alright, tell your lovies, tell your...
I love it. I'm telling you. Goodbye until next time. I hope you really enjoy this vlog. My point is to make you informed and make you make informed decision. And all of my Caribbean people them just come out this summer and look nice and ripe. So every girl is supposed to look fly and fresh this summer, right?
Alright,
come to
guys.
Office Road.
Come in, wrap it up, chatty.
Peace
guys
out,
are out. Big up on yourself. You don't know, maybe grab some food, grab a hot dog, and maybe eat ice cream because the place is sunny and nice.
Want a slushy.
And it's not humid at all. So
It's
anyway,
nice.
guys, nice. Big up on yourself. We're out.